Living in Miami Beach comes with stunning ocean views, warm sunshine, and refreshing sea breezes. But coastal living also presents unique challenges for your home, especially your windows. Salt air, humidity, sand, and strong sun exposure can take a toll over time. If you have slider windows, proper cleaning and maintenance are essential to keep them operating smoothly and looking their best. The good news is that slider windows are relatively easy to maintain, even in Miami Beach's coastal climate, when you follow a few simple steps. Understanding coastal wear and tear. The biggest factor affecting windows in Miami Beach is salt air. Salt particles carried by ocean breezes can settle on glass and frames, leading to corrosion if not cleaned regularly. High humidity can also contribute to moisture buildup, while sand and debris may collect in window tracks. Over time, this combination can impact both appearance and functionality. Regular maintenance prevents long-term damage and helps extend the life of your slider windows. Cleaning the glass for clear coastal views. Slider windows often feature large glass panels that maximize natural light and outdoor views. To keep those views crystal clear, routine glass cleaning is important. Use a mild glass cleaner or a mixture of water and gentle dish soap. Avoid harsh chemicals that could damage window coatings or frames. A soft cloth or squeegee works best to prevent streaking. In coastal areas like Miami Beach, it's recommended to clean window glass more frequently than in inland locations, especially if your home is close to the shoreline. Protecting frames from salt exposure. Vinyl and aluminum are common frame materials for slider windows in Miami Beach. Vinyl frames resist moisture and corrosion, making them a popular low-maintenance option. Aluminum frames are strong but may require more attention to prevent corrosion if salt buildup is left untreated. To maintain your frames, wipe them down regularly with a damp cloth and mild soap. Rinse thoroughly to remove salt residue and dry the surface to prevent water spots. Regular cleaning prevents buildup that could lead to discoloration or surface damage. Keeping tracks free of sand and debris. One of the key components of slider windows is the track system that allows the window to glide open and closed. In Miami Beach's sandy environment, debris can easily accumulate in the tracks. If left unchecked, this buildup may cause sticking or difficulty opening the window. To maintain smooth operation, vacuum the tracks to remove loose sand and dirt. Wipe the tracks with a damp cloth to eliminate remaining residue. Apply a light silicone-based lubricant if needed to maintain smooth gliding. Avoid oil-based lubricants, which can attract more dirt and worsen buildup. Checking seals and weather stripping. Coastal humidity can impact window seals over time. Periodically inspect weather stripping and seals for signs of wear, cracking, or gaps. If you notice air leaks or moisture infiltration, addressing the issue promptly can prevent larger problems down the line. Well-maintained seals also support energy efficiency by keeping cooled air inside during Miami Beach's hot months. Scheduling professional inspections. While routine cleaning can be handled on your own, occasional professional inspections can help identify early signs of corrosion, seal failure, or hardware wear. Experienced professionals can ensure your slider windows remain secure, properly aligned, and energy efficient. Long-term benefits of proper maintenance. Taking care of your slider windows does more than preserve their appearance. Regular cleaning and maintenance help extend the lifespan of the windows, maintain smooth operation, prevent corrosion or damage, preserve energy efficiency, protect your home's value. Enjoying coastal living without the hassle. Miami Beach's coastal climate requires a little extra care, but slider windows are well suited to handle these conditions with proper maintenance. By keeping glass clean, frames protected, and tracks clear of debris, you can enjoy uninterrupted ocean views and reliable performance year-round. With consistent care, your slider windows will continue to enhance your Miami Beach home, combining beauty, functionality, and durability in a coastal environment.